There's a new song I'm working on. Just got through writing not that long ago. Give me your honest opinion on what you think.